Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Go in Freelance, Building and Branding Your Own Success. Lecture 8. Introduction to Building Strong Client Relationships, Communicating and Collaborating with Clients, Managing Client Feedback and Revisions, Building Long-Term Relationships and Client Loyalty, Providing Exceptional Customer Service, Managing Client Expectations and Handling Difficult Situations, Building Strong Client Relationships. Building strong client relationships is crucial for any business, regardless of its size or industry. It's not just about making clients happy. It's about creating a partnership that benefits both parties. When you build a strong relationship with your clients, you gain their trust and loyalty. This, in turn, leads to repeat business and referrals, which are essential for the growth and success of any business. But building strong client relationships takes time and effort. It requires effective communication, active listening, and a genuine interest in your clients' needs and goals. By taking the time to understand your clients' businesses and industries, you can provide them with tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. This not only helps your clients achieve their goals, but also demonstrates your expertise and value as a business partner. Communicating and collaborating with clients. Clear and effective communication is key. When it comes to building strong client relationships, it is important to establish open lines of communication from the outset of any project. In order to ensure that both parties are on the same page, this can involve setting up regular check-ins, providing progress reports, and being responsive to client inquiries and feedback. Collaboration is also crucial when working with clients. By involving them in the process and seeking their input and ideas, you can ensure that the final product meets their needs and expectations. This can involve brainstorming sessions, collaborative design reviews, and ongoing feedback loops. Managing client feedback and revisions. Managing client feedback and revisions is an essential part of any successful project. By effectively managing client feedback, you can ensure that the final product meets the client's needs, while also staying within the scope of the project. One effective strategy for managing feedback is to establish clear communication channels with the client from the outset of the project. This can include regular check-ins, progress reports, and scheduled meetings to discuss any feedback or concerns. Another important strategy is to provide the client with a clear timeline for revisions and updates. This can help manage expectations and prevent scope creep. It's also important to be responsive and timely in addressing any feedback or concerns. By addressing issues promptly, you can build trust and confidence with the client, which can lead to long-term relationships and repeat business. Building long-term relationships and client loyalty. Building long-term relationships with clients is essential for the success of any business. Not only does it help to establish trust and loyalty, but it can also lead to increased revenue and referrals. One strategy for fostering client loyalty is to consistently provide exceptional customer service. This means going above and beyond to meet the needs of your clients and making them feel valued and appreciated. Another strategy is to regularly communicate with your clients and actively listen to their feedback and concerns. By addressing their needs and concerns in a timely and effective manner, you can build a strong foundation for a long-lasting relationship. Providing exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial for any business that wants to succeed. Not only does it help to build a positive reputation, but it can also lead to increased customer loyalty and satisfaction. To deliver exceptional customer service, it's important to listen to your customers and understand their needs. Make sure to respond quickly to any questions or concerns they may have, and always be polite and professional in your interactions. Additionally, going above and beyond to exceed their expectations can leave a lasting impression and encourage them to return in the future. Managing client expectations and handling difficult situations. Managing client expectations is a crucial aspect of building strong client relationships. It involves setting realistic goals and timelines for the project, as well as communicating openly and transparently with the client throughout the process. In addition to managing expectations, it's also important to know how to handle difficult situations that may arise during the project. This could include dealing with unexpected delays or setbacks, or addressing concerns or complaints from the client. One effective strategy is to stay calm and professional, and to work collaboratively with the client to find a solution that meets their needs, while also staying within the scope of the project. Conclusion. In conclusion, building strong client relationships and providing exceptional service are crucial for the long-term success and growth of any business. Throughout this discussion, we have explored key strategies and principles that contribute to fostering positive client relationships and delivering outstanding service. First and foremost, we emphasize the importance of understanding and meeting client expectations. By actively listening to clients, asking relevant questions, and truly understanding their needs, we can tailor our products or services to exceed their expectations. Clear and open communication is vital in building trust and ensuring that clients feel valued and understood. Furthermore, we discuss the significance of delivering consistent and reliable service. Consistency builds trust and credibility, and clients appreciate reliability in all interactions and transactions. By consistently delivering high-quality products or services and meeting deadlines, we establish a reputation for excellence and create a positive customer experience. Additionally, we explored the role of personalized service in building client relationships, going the extra mile to understand individual preferences, anticipating needs, and providing customized solutions can significantly enhance client satisfaction and loyalty. Treating clients as unique individuals fosters a sense of importance and strengthens the bond between the business and its clients. Moreover, we highlighted the importance of resolving issues and addressing concerns promptly and effectively. Mistakes and problems are inevitable, but how we handle them defines the quality of our service. Responding to client issues with empathy, taking ownership, and providing timely resolutions can turn a potentially negative experience into an opportunity to demonstrate exceptional service and win client loyalty. Lastly, we discuss the significance of ongoing communication and feedback. Regularly checking in with clients, seeking their input, and actively incorporating their feedback into our processes shows that we value their opinions and are committed to continuous improvement. This engagement cultivates a collaborative relationship and fosters long-term loyalty. In summary, building strong client relationships and providing exceptional service require a customer-centric mindset, effective communication, consistent delivery, personalization, prompt issue resolution, and ongoing feedback. By prioritizing these principles and strategies, businesses can establish a loyal customer base, enhance their reputation, and achieve sustainable growth in today's competitive marketplace.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.